Hello friends, today my topic is WebDriver commands. Friends, WebDriver commands are the commands that give some kind of instruction to the browser to do the specific task. Friends, in this video, I will tell you about all the types of browser command. Friends, let's start today's topic. As I told you, today's topic is WebDriver commands. Friends, in WebDriver, we have three types of commands: browser command, navigation commands, and web element commands. In this video, I will explain all the browser commands that we are going to use with the browser. So friends, we have six types of browser commands, and those are: first one is the get command, get title command, get current URL command, get page source command, close command, and quit command. As you can easily understand by the name of the commands, the first name is the get command. This command is used to open a web page on your browser. Second command, get title command. If you use this command, then with the help of this command, you can easily get the title of the current page. Next, get current URL. Same, you can easily get the current page URL with the help of get current command. Get page source command. As you can see by the name, it is clear that by this command, get page source command, you can get the view source of the current page. Next command is close command. Close command is used to close the current page that is open on browser. Final command is quit command. Quit command have the same functionality to close the web page or the browser page, but there is a difference between close command and quit command. For example, if you have only one browser page is open, then you can use close command. But if you have multiple pages on your browser, then if you want to close all the browser pages, then we will use quit command, because with the help of close command we can close only the current browser page. Okay, and if you want to close all the pages, all the web pages that is open on your system, then if you use quit command, then they will close. So friends, let's start. Go to the Eclipse here. Now I am going to explain you all the browser's commands with the help of example. So firstly, we have to create a project. Friends, I want to say something. Before this video, I made a video that how to make your first program on Eclipse. I would highly recommend that please firstly watch that video before this video, because if you watch that video before this video, you can easily understand that what are the steps we have to follow to make the project, package and classes. I have also provided the link of that video in the description section of this video, and also make a card of that video. By clicking here on this card, you can easily see that video. So friends, let's start today's video or today's task. Firstly, we have to create a project. I have already created the project. Now we also have to create the package, then classes. Friends, right click over src, go to new and create a package. I am going to explain the browser's command, so I am going to give the name of this browser commands in Selenium. Okay, now finish it. Here you can see that a package is created. Now right click on this package go to new and create a class. Name the class. I'm going to give the name of this class is browser commands demo. Okay, finish it. Friends, now you can see that a package having name browser command in Selenium is created over here, and the class is public class browser commands demo is created. I want to also tell you one thing. Firstly, we have to create the project, then we have to create the package, and within the package you have to create the classes. This is the flow. So this is a Java program because I have already created the Java project. Friends, I will always use Java. So we have to write it out the main method of the Java. The main method of the Java is public static void main. Friends, this is the syntax of the main method in the Java. We have to write all the code within this main method because execution of the program starts from the main method. So now what we have to do, firstly we have to tell the Eclipse that we are going to use which browser. Friends, I am going to use Firefox browser. So what is the method to tell the browser that what we are going to use? So the way is System.setProperty. Here you can see that set property is a method having two arguments, string argument first and string argument this one. So I am going to use it. Set property. Here you have to pass two arguments. In the first argument you have to pass it out that which driver you are going to use, and in second argument you have to tell that where is the location of the exe file of driver that you are going to use within this program. Firstly you have to write in this argument, first argument, webdriver dot gecko dot driver, means you are going to use gecko driver with webdriver. First argument tell that you are going to use gecko driver with webdriver, and the location of that gecko driver exe file in your system, where it is. In my system it is in E drive that I am going to show you. Here is the library folder. Here the gecko file is there. So the path of the gecko driver is here. So this is the path of gecko driver exe file in my system. I am going to repeat again. This line tell to your WebDriver or Eclipse that you are going to use Gecko driver with WebDriver, and the Gecko driver exe location on your system is D drive library folder that have Gecko driver exe. By this line, your Eclipse easily understand that you are going to use Firefox browser. Friends, I am using Selenium 3.0, and the Selenium 3 does not support by default Firefox browser. Up to Selenium 2.53 or something, which whatever may be the version, all by default support Firefox browser. So there is no need to write this line WebDriver Gecko driver when we used Firefox browser up to Selenium 2 point something. But Selenium 3 is the latest version, and Selenium 3 does not by default support Firefox browser. So we also have to write it out. Next. Now what we have to do, the second task is we have to create the object of Firefox driver. Now what we have to write? WebDriver, the object name driver, equal to you have to write new. I'm going to maximize it. Yes, new and Firefox driver. Yes. In this line, I have created the object of create object of Firefox driver. In Java, with the help of new keyword, you are going to make the object. Now, here you can see that a red line under the Firefox driver and WebDriver. What do you have to do? Drag your mouse to the Firefox driver, and you can see that here is the import Firefox driver from this location. Click on it. Here it imports the Firefox driver from this location. Same for go to the WebDriver and import WebDriver from here. Now you can see that there is no red line under WebDriver and Firefox. Here you can see that there is an orange line under the driver because till now you are not going to use driver. After this line, when you use driver object, then this underline of the orange color will be automatically removed. So from these two lines up to these two lines, it is very clear to the Eclipse that you are going to use Firefox browser. Next, what you have to do? I am going to use first command. The first command is to get command. Then what is the way to use that? Firstly, you have to write object name driver dot get. Here you can see that get is a method name that includes a string type of argument, and it will return nothing. Listen again. Get is a method, and in this method we have to pass the argument of a string type, and this method will not return anything. So select it and pass the argument, means the URL that you want to open on this browser, Firefox browser. So for example, if I want to open the Facebook page, then I am going to use this URL from here. Here I just have paste the URL. Now If I run this program, then what will happen? This line, by these two lines, Eclipse understand that you are going to use Firefox browser, and driver.get method will return you the Facebook page on the Firefox browser. Means Facebook page will be open on the Firefox browser. So now I am going to run it. To run it, go to here and click on run. Here now you can see that browser is opening, and after opening the browsing, then what will happen? The Facebook page will be open. Here you can see that Facebook page is opening. Yes. So this is the work of get command. So friend, I think you easily understand that how get the command is used. I'm also to open page on Firefox. Friends, you can also use different browser. For example, if you are going to use IE browser, then you firstly download the IE browser on your system, then write like that webdriver IE driver and give the path of IE driver exe file on your system. Other thing will be same, but here you just have to write IE driver. Okay, so let's move to the second command. The second command that I told you, that get title command, means we are going to get the title of the page. What is the title of the page? Go to here to get title of the page. So what you have to write? Write driver. I'm using driver every time because in Java we use object of the class every time to do a specific operation. Driver dot get driver dot get. Here you can see that get title command is there. Get title, and here you can see that get title is a method, and the return type of this method is string. Always remember that when you use this type of method, you just have to check it out what will be the output, or what kind of the output this method provide you to you. Here you can see that get title method provide you a string type of output. So use it, get title, and close it. Now this method will provide you a string type of output. So you just have to make a string variable, string, name of the string, title name equal to. So what will happen in this line? driver.getTitle gives you the title of the current page, and it will return you the value in the string type. So you just have to make the string and give the string name. Now if you want to show what is the output, if you want to print out, then what you have to do, you just have to write System.out.println and title of this page is plus give the name of the string. Here, if you print this output of the string, then it will give you the exact name of the title of the page. So I'm going to show you what the output will come. Run this program. What will happen till now? Firstly, Firefox browser will open, and then Facebook page will be open on that browser, and this driver.getTitle command gives you the title name of this current page, and the this line print the title. Here Facebook page open, then in console you can see that the title of the page is Facebook login or sign up. I think this is very much clear of about these two commands, get command and get title command. Next command is that we are going to use get current URL command. Means if you want to know that what is the current URL of the current page, what is the URL of the current page, then what you have to do, get current URL of page. What you have to do, very simple, as before, you have to write driver.get. Here you can see that here is a method having name get current URL, and the output of the this method is the string type, same as before. Just use it. Now this method gives you the output of the string type, so you just have to string, right, string current URL. I have a make an variable of string type having name current URL. So same thing, if I want to print it out that what is the output of this get current URL, just URL of the page is, and I'm going to use this variable. Let's put it out here. Just now what will happen, Firefox browser page open, Facebook page will open on the browser, then this command tell you the title of the page, and this command gives you the current URL of the current page. So I am going to run it. The process is running. Facebook page open. I'm going to close it. Here in the console you can see that title of the page is this, and the URL of the page is this one. So I think these three commands is very much clear to you. Now I am going to demonstrate the fourth command. The fourth command is to get the view source of the current page. to get view source of the current page. Now what you have to write, you just have to write driver dot get. Here you can see that here is a method get page source, and output will be the string type. Select it. Same thing, just make the variable of string type string page source here. Same thing I'm going to use. If you want to show the view source of the current page, then sit here and view source of the page is this one. Now I'm going to run this program. This command will give you the page source of the current page. Means what is the page source? The page source means, for example, if this is your Facebook page and you right click over here, click on view page source, then it will show you this type of the data that works behind that page. Means all the data that works behind the Facebook page, the view source of the page. So I'm going to run it. Get command executed. Here you can see the view source of that page, Facebook page. Okay, so this command show you the view source of the current page. Now I'm going to use the fourth command. The fourth command is the close command. Friends, as I told you, close command is used to close the current page. Means by this line you open the Facebook page on the browser, and after this if you use this close command, means driver dot close. Here close is the method and it is not going to provide you any kind of output, so it will provide nothing. Use it. That's simple. You just have to write like that to close the current page. By this line you open a Facebook page on Firefox browser, and after that if you use driver.close, means close command, then it will close the current web page, means the Facebook page that you open by this command here. Next command is quit command. The working of the close command and quit command is same. If you want to close multiple pages at the same time with a single command, then you have to use the quit command. So we can use quit command like this: driver dot quit. The quit is a method and it will provide you nothing. So here we have opened only one page, Facebook page on the browser, then close and quit working will be same because we have opened only a single page. So save it. I'm going to comment this because it will show you a lengthy view source. Now what will happen? I'm going to run it again. Now what will happen? Two things will be there. Firstly, Facebook page will open, then after that it will close. Facebook page is opening. It is open. Now I'm going to command again. Here you can see that the output is this, and this I have already commented this part of the view source. So view source is not showing here. Now I'm going to show you the working of Git also. Save it and going to run this program again here. Now what will happen? Facebook page will open, all the commands will execute, and after that the page will close automatically. Facebook page is opening. Now what will happen? Facebook page close automatically by the driver.get command. Friends, up to now I told you all the browser's commands. Now I'm tell you something more thing to increase your knowledge. Friends, we use getTitle method, getCurrent method, getPageSource. Friends, if you want to length of the title, then what you have to do? Get current URL length, and if you want to get the length of the page source, then what you have to do? Friends, to get the title of the page length, what you have to do? You just have to use the length method. I will write like L dot length, length, and here you can see that length method will give you the output of integer type. I am going to use it length. Now it will give you the output of the integer type, so you have to make the variable of integer type integer here. If I run this program, I'm going to make comment of quit command also, because if quit will be run, then the Facebook page will automatically close. Now this command, total command, give me the length of the title. So I'm going to length of the title. This page is this one. Now I'm going to run this. Control S and run it. Program is running. This will give you the length of the title page. Means how many words. Facebook page open, close it. Here you can see that the length of the title page is 28. Okay, so friends, by similar way you can get the length of the current URL, and you can also get the length of the view page source. So friends, this is my whole video about the browser's commands. If you like my video, please like it, comment it, and share with your friends. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then you will get the notification of the next video that I am going to upload on my channel. One more thing, friends, if you have any doubt or any question about this video or any other video, then you can ask the question in the comment section of this video. I will try to reply as early as possible. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.